US stocks, they rebounded from 2 days of losses as investors turned their focus to the first prominent results of the earnings season. Shares of Alcoa were down about 0.5% after early gains following the company's earnings after the bell on Tuesday. Now, according to Reuters, overall the corporate profits are expected to beat the previous quarter's rise. On closing bell, the Dow was up a good 62 points, the S&P 500 index up 4, and the Nasdaq gained about 14 points.
Asia, what do we have there? Again, nothing strong in terms of a Q or in terms of a directional sense. Let's look at Japan, which is up by 86 points. Hong Kong is up by about 0.75%. China is still outperforming on a relative basis. SGX is not going anywhere. The dollar index is up for 2 days on the trot now. And if I map global volatility, which is CBOE VIX, even though in the near term there are a couple of triggers which really could inject some degree of uncertainty, the dollar index, which is CBOE VIX, is still trading at a historic low. So bear in mind the way how global risk indicators are stacked up, we are in for a strong adjustment. Now the adjustment could happen on the downside, which is volatility could go up and the dollar index continues to go beyond levels of 81 and 81.5, or the dollar index will come down, because even though the mood visibly is tilted towards risk on, somehow the data points, the dollar index and the global volatility, it's difficult to map them, it's difficult to connect them. So there is some degree of complacency which certainly has set in, and I'm sure it's a matter of time that complacency will get challenged.